ANC ba tla raporoto ya Advocate Mkhwebane e lekolwe ke lekgotla la dinyewe ka ha e re ditshibollo tsa hae di na le diphoso.
She seems to be playing in the political spaces insofar as the report is concerned.
Kantoro ya Mosireletsi wa Setjhaba e hanana le ditlaleho tsena tsa mokga o busang.
The question that the ANC in the Eastern Cape ought to concern itself with is whether Premier Mabuyane, MEC Matikizela and the party itself benefited from funds siphoned from the public purse under the pretext that the money was going to be used to ferry mourners to the memorial service of Miss Winnie Matikizela Mandela. The party should also be seized with whether the manner, pattern and short succession in which the funds were disbursed does not raise a suspicion of a commission of criminal conduct.
Motlhophuli wa dipolotiki o dumela ha raporoto ena e senya lebitso la ANC nakong ena eo ho lebilweng dikgethong tsa bomasepala.
There is an email that says the wife, written by the wife of Oscar Mabuyane, and there's a similar email coming from the wife of Matikizela that tells how such monies that were taken from government should be used, especially where it says the money must be used to renovate the property, private property of Mabuyane, when it is clear that that money belongs to the state.
EFF provinceng e se e butse diqoso tsa bonnokwane kgahlang le bobedi bona ho kenyeletswa le letona la dipalangwang Weziwe Tikana Xothiwe.